Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Before starting with what I want to say, I would like to address that first thing is I'm sorry if I'm not looking very presentable today, and second thing is that I'm going to use my notes today, and that's because I wrote this down yesterday night and I do not want to miss out on any of the points that I wrote. So let's begin now. It came as a surprise and it made me sad that the idea of physical beauty that used to exist is getting passed on to the next generations too. I thought that it won't happen, and that idea of ideal beauty, which basically in India is to be slim, fair complexioned, and having long silky hair, for girls it's gonna be demolished with time. But no, it's just so unfortunate to see what I witnessed yesterday. That little girl saying that you have become fat in that very acerbic way, acerbic tone, made me startle and think that how come she has that thinking that being thin is beautiful and being fat or chubby is ugly. I remember her saying that हम तो पतले हो गए हैं, आप भी एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए आया करो ताकि आप भी पतले हो जाओ. No, that's terrible. I don't know if she understood this or not when I said that I like the way I am, I like the way I look. I don't know if that thing got into her mind the way I wanted it to be. Honestly, it took me years to understand what beauty is and to perceive it in a way that makes one confident to embrace every bit of oneself, the original self. I don't know till when people are gonna exercise or go to the gyms or work out just to become slim or thin rather than to become stronger and healthier. I don't know till when people are gonna consider that being chubby is ugly, being fat is ugly, or having lesser hair on head is ugly, or being dark is ugly, or having more hair on body is ugly, and what not. It took me years to unlearn all of these things and relearn the more acceptable behavior towards physical beauty. And I understand that it's tough, but I feel that if we start doing this from a very younger age, that is when human beings are probably in school and they are in an age where it's easier to mold them. I think that's how we would be able to bring about this change in the society. So, body image issues cause so many problems. Body image issues cause so many crimes and even suicides, and that's so saddening that it still exists. The standard beauty, ideal beauty, that definition still exists in the society. It affects people's self esteem, their confidence, and even their belief on themselves. I just hope we could bring this change in the mentality of people forming this society, and we are those people forming our society. And from this whole experience, what I have learned or what I have added to my knowledge is that I'm no longer gonna promote the idea of doing makeup products, or exercising or diets to become slimmer or thinner, or any sort of hairstyling products, or anything that says that you're gonna look prettier if you do this or that. Because I want all of us to embrace just the way we are, just the way we look. Our physical appearance should not be an issue for us. But yes, I know that there is a thing called preferences, choices, likings, and dislikings. And I'm not saying that you have to like everything, or you have to dislike everything, or you have to do nothing about it. It's just that we shouldn't, shame or insult someone because we dislike the other thing. That is what the whole point is, that it's okay to have likings and dislikings and preferences and choices, but it's not okay to shame someone, to insult someone based on those likings and dislikings. And yes, it is important to look presentable according to the situations and events, but it is not acceptable to mold yourself just because you do not like yourself. I feel that our originality is something which we all have in our hands, and we need to embrace our originality, we need to embrace our uniqueness. That's all I wanted to say, and I hope we would be able to bring about this change in the society and in the mindsets of not only us. I think I would not have been this disturbed with this whole incident if this would have come from someone who is from an older generation. I would have not been this disturbed with this thing, but this thing coming from a little girl who is actually the future of our world, coming it from that part of the world, it made me think about it, that how these things are gonna affect even in future. I was thinking that it's all done, but no, we have longer way to go. Yes. So yeah, that's it. The whole message of this video is to embrace ourselves, and only when we embrace our own originality just the way we are without molding ourselves into the standard ideal beauty of the society, that's when we are gonna be able to accept others just the way they are. And I think that's gonna be a better world for all of us. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, stay you, stay safe, and stay home. Bye bye.